Hi everyone, I'm Jordan Trosclair with Berkshire Hathaway, and today we have Shara Caballero here from Key Lending Solutions. She's going to be explaining how to get pre-approved so that you can get into your next home. Shara, tell me a little bit about yourself and how you got into the business.
Well, Jordan, I'm married. I have 3 children and 2 stepsons. I originally started my career with banking. I was in banking for over 10 years and then tried something a little bit different, and my heart was always with numbers and wanting to help people get into homes.
Nice. So tell me, how does someone get started with the process and applying for a loan?
There's several different ways that you can start the process. I always encourage people to come in and meet me in my office. We can do an application there. We can do an application online. You can complete a paper application, or we can actually do the application over the phone.
Nice. What do you do for, like first-time home buyers or maybe college students just getting out of college?
We have a few different programs for first-time home buyers that require no money down. Also, college students, as soon as they graduate from college, we can use their college education as part of their work history so they can purchase a home right out of college.
Very nice.
With no money down.
Awesome. So we do have 100% financing here in the state. So Shara, with somebody qualifying for 100% financing, is there any costs that are involved?
There are still costs involved, but there is no down payment on the property. So you may run into wanting to get a home inspection to make sure that everything in the home works properly. You also will need to purchase an appraisal, and then there may be a deposit required when you sign a purchase agreement on a home. You want to have about $1,000 set aside.
Great. So, and how long is that process?
Anywhere from, I've closed loans in 18 days all the way up to about 45 days. It depends on the type of loan and the complexity of the loan.
That's great. So it's good to remember that, you don't have to put 20% down necessarily in the state of Louisiana to get your next home. Followed up with, Shara here to make sure to see what you qualify for, but it could be as little as 3% to nothing down. Shara, what other loans do y'all do over at Key Lending?
We do every loan that you can imagine. We do conventional FHA with a 3.5% down payment, rural development with a 0 down payment. Conventional, you can do a 3, a 5, or a 20% down payment. VA is no money down as well, which is my favorite to do. And then we have the CAFA grant program through the Capital Area Finance Authority, where your down payment of 3.5% is covered, or your 3% down payment on conventional is covered. And on the conventional product, there's no income limits, so you're not restricted to making a certain income to be able to qualify for no money down.
Very nice. Okay, so why should someone choose you versus choosing someone else or another company to get pre-approved and get the loan process done?
Well, basically, I work for a broker, so I have access to multiple lenders. Depending on your credit criteria, I will be able to determine which lender to put your loan with. With your bank or your credit union, you have to fit within their guidelines. They also have origination fees, document prep fees. They charge you for your credit report. At Key Lending, we have no junk fees. We do not charge any fees or origination fees to do your mortgage loan.
Excellent. Shara, thanks so much for the knowledge that you brought us today, and
you're welcome.
And helping everybody here understand what it takes for the process of getting into a home. How does somebody contact you?
You can reach me at my office at 225-293-6548, or you can call me on my cell phone at 225-933-2368.
Excellent. And the key to your new home
is in my hands, and everything he touches turns to sold.
Thanks so much.